Everyone, sorry for late video, but this update for how to install winch in the Bullbar aluminium one, the factory one. 1 minute, I will show you how to install it. First thing, unfortunately I can't show everything because already installed it, but that plate you buy it from eBay. It's in universe plate, but it's coming too long. If you look here, it's coming too long. I cut it like how to suit my Bullbar, and I buy this from Bunnies, and I buy also all that from Bunnies. And the other thing, it's here, I drill here, and I think I drill here to can like put it in the chassis. Here, this is the under all way, like here, right. All here, all connect to the chassis from here. And if you want to do it like by yourself, it's always good to have anyone help you. And here, but the other problem, maybe you find it, if you want to be access to the winch, if you want to release the winch when you want to pull it, you want to put your hands here. You can open a little bit here, but yeah, I can access here and just release a little bit when I want to pull my winch. Yeah, that's all. I tried in the forklift. I pulled forklift when I was in the shop. I pulled forklift. It was really good and solid, but yeah, we put it under the load, and maybe next week after, we go camping and I'll put it under the load and we'll see if it's work or not. If it's not work, at least we try new thing. Always good to learn a new thing. If it's work, not work, that means at least we try. And this is from above here, but just want to be careful when you install here. I'll show you. When you want to install, you want to make sure to not damage the pipe here. You want to make sure like let space. And always if you want to try it and do it by yourself, install the winch. Install the winch in the Bullbar when you take the Bullbar off, because it's not fit the Bullbar when you install the winch in the chassis first. You want to install the winch in the Bullbar first, and after that put the Bullbar in the car back. Change the rope, or you want to put the greaser or clean your winch or whatever. You want to take all the Bullbar and take the winch out, because you can't take just the winch from here without remove the Bullbar, because you will damage the pipe here if you want to do this by yourself at home. And also other thing, some of the steel Bullbar, you can just take the winch and change it without remove the Bullbar. But also if you want to install steel Bullbar, you want to make sure your suspension very good, because it's twice heavier and from the aluminium one. And for me, I see it is a cheaper way. All just cost me this $75 and the winch, and it's really shipped all around here to make it fit and not damage anything. Like if I pull up or down, not damage anything from here. And yeah, all this, and just here make sure I don't have any space when I put that. Just I twist the light and I put the wireless one. Yeah, that's all. And here from the top, here from the top, focus. Yeah, it's easy. Take just 6 hours to put on, or drill and put bullet. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, just let me know. Thanks you guys.